Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making shepherd's pie. Let's get into it. The first time I made this, we ate the whole pan in like one day. First thing you're gonna do is you're going to boil up a large pot of water. And then you're going to get about 6 medium-sized potatoes. And you're gonna chop them up into medium-sized cubes. And you're gonna throw those into the boiling water and let them boil until they're softened. While the potatoes are boiling, we're gonna get our meat started. You're going to start by heating up a pan. Once it's hot, you're going to add some oil. Then you're going to dice up an onion and throw that in the pan and cook those up until they start to soften just a little bit. Then you're going to throw in your ground beef and cook that up. Grind it up until it's started to brown. Then you're going to add in some thyme, a little bit of rosemary, salt, pepper, and then some tomato paste and some ketchup, about a tablespoon of each. And mix it up till it's well combined. Then I like to add a splash of beef broth. Chicken broth works fine too if that's all you have. And then you're going to add in some peas and finely chopped up carrots. Not a lot, just a little bit. Add a little bit of color and let that cook for a little bit until there's no more liquids sitting around. It should still be nice and moist. Once your meat is done, you're going to throw it into your whatever pan you're using for your shepherd's pie and set it aside. Then we're going to get started on our mashed potatoes that go on top. You're going to strain the potatoes, get rid of all the extra water. And then you're going to add some herb and garlic cream cheese. That's a secret ingredient, guys. It makes it so good. And then some garlic powder, salt and pepper, of course. A good chunk of butter, and some Parmesan cheese. And then mix it up until everything is well incorporated and melted and just delicious and creamy. Once you're done with that, you're going to scoop it on top of your meat layer and smooth it out. Then you're going to open up a can of cream corn and pour that on top. Then you throw the whole thing into the oven. I usually bake mine at like 350 for 30 minutes or so. Just until, you know, it gets a little bubbly and a little crispy on the edges. And once it's done, take it out, serve it up, and enjoy a delicious, nutritious dinner with your family. Hope you enjoy! Bye!